concerned. Won't get that weed killing done first thing. And then sort a few more jobs out. But first I'm gonna brew. Right, it's only 9 o'clock. So I filled all these up. Filled them up. And everything. I just had a good glug of seaweed. So I'll just do that twice a month. Just a glug of seaweed on every bed. And should keep them okay. But I've been round with weed killing, my bat's killing me. Because one of my straps is broke. And that stuff that I put in yesterday looks okay. And peas and beans, a £2 grand. And just had a feed of seaweed too. I've done everything at greenhouse. All these beds down here. Only thing I've not done is spuds, but they don't need doing. Should have fire off flower in these first ones. These here at least, I can't remember. I think they're these ones. I think these are the earliest. Winston. Winston, yeah, there it isn't. Yeah, not flowering yet. Okay. Couple of weeds in there, shouldn't be in. Yeah. They're doing okie dokie. They hardly get water even though they're at buckets. Because that keeps all that foliage keeps the moisture in a bit. The less you water them, the better. Them spuds, because they grow better searching for water. And what's happened here? That tea's looking a bit better since I brought it outside. There's a lot more for me to do today. I'm going to go and have a brew in that bottom tent over there and talk to the beans. In fact, I will make a brew first. Well, I've got another sitting area now. Because I've got this chair in this tent. In this corner, and it's nice and cool in here. A bit warm out there today. While the beds are full, I'll catch up what we've got. So might as well start in here at the bottom, haven't we? So we've got our second lot of peas in there. Cos lettuce in there. Giant onions, but just experiment them outside. 2 giant cabbage. Farming French beans, some more cos lettuce. They're doing okay. They're them tinnies today. So in here we've got giant onions, which are bulbing up now. Nice. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 giant onions in here. And now on this side we've got a giant tomato, a marmite, a moneymaker, tigerella, alicante, and another giant tom. And then there we've got a giant cucumber. And the grapevine, obviously. It's grown over 2 inches, that. We've got our first lot of peas there, which should be getting ready for flowering up soon. a quarter way up net, nearly halfway up the net. We've got white onions, red onions, found the label. Maris papa, 10 buckets. And our labels, what's this one? King Edward, another 10 buckets. Blueberry, which are full of blueberries. Sweet corn, another blueberry. And then here we've got Pentland Dell, 10 buckets. And we've got normal round cabbage. Don't know how many there is, 24 I think. And then our sweet for go with our carrots later on. Then in there we've got our shallots, which are from last year. We're just starting splitting now. So we planted them from last year, what we had. And then here we've got some more shallots, spring onions in between the lettuce, and I can't remember the name of lettuce. And then beetroot. And in there we've got our wildflowers. And there's our pumpkin. We've got some more spuds over there. We've got some pink fir apple at front for and 2 lots of earlies. So like Winston, Jersey Royals, 10 buckets of each. And on this side, got cauliflower, 3 beds, just started adding up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big, 6 big cabbage, but 3 of them will be coming out once they start growing. Sacrifice 3, and then some more lettuce. And an apple tree and a pear tree, they're doing okay. Then in here, we've got 2 cherry tomatoes, which I've just hung up with them springs off trampoline. Not throwing anything away. And the giant marrow and a few spuds which shouldn't be there. And we've got broccoli there which has been nibbled a bit, so we'll spread some chicken manure in a minute. And then another giant cabbage. We just did loads, so got them going. And then in here we've got our bits of veg what we've got left, long bean and a few lettuce. Then we've got a big cucumber there, moneymaker, marmite, sun gold, tigerella, alicante, a giant tigerella, another alicante, and another giant tom, and a grapevine in here. And in here we've got our carrots, which if I pull one out, should be growing. There you go. Growing nice and straight and wonky, like they should do. And we've got our peppers in here. Well, we've got a long bean there. And then hot wax pepper, just flowering off jaw. Cayenne, jalapeno, Scots bonnet, a sweet pepper, and another sweet pepper. And then that one is another hot wax, and it's got a little pepper on there, see. And they're all fed with them bottles, so they're okay. And that's about it. I won't get these spuds out. And I won't get off on. So this will be tomorrow's weeding and watering again. So I'll give you some nice flowers. bee, 2 bees.